Welcome back, future leaders. This is Speak Like a Leader, your go-to channel for mastering business English. Today, we are diving into words you should never use in business. Are there actually words you should never use in business? There sure are. And by eliminating these words from your sentences, you will sound more professional and confident. Now, if you find these tips valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe so I can upload even more educational videos on a weekly basis that will help you improve your English skills. Let's start. The language we use in business is crucial. Some words can damage your professionalism without you realizing it. Let's explore which words to avoid and what to say instead. Word number 1, thing. This word is ambiguous. It's vague. It's unprofessional. Instead, be more specific. Say item, aspect, or element. For example, the first aspect we need to discuss is sales trends. Imagine you are in a project meeting, so instead of saying one thing we need to do, say one key task that we need to accomplish or one key element that we need to accomplish. This specificity shows clarity and confidence. Word number 2, stuff. The word stuff sounds informal and non-specific. Instead, use words like materials, documents, or items. For instance, I'll send you the documents by the end of the day. When you say, I handle the stuff, it leaves a lot of room for confusion, so it's better to say, I handle the project materials, which is clearer and more professional. Word number 3, maybe. When you're in a business context, you want to sound certain and confident, so the word maybe kind of sounds a little bit uncertain. Replace it with possibly or potentially and add more context. For example, we could potentially launch next quarter. Think of a sentence where you might use maybe and replace it with possibly or potentially. Pause the video, write it down, and resume when you're ready. Great. Feel free to share your sentences in the comments below. Moving on to the word honestly. Honestly implies that you're not always honest, so simply state your point or say frankly if necessary. For example, frankly, we need to improve our strategy. Saying honestly, I think we should accept this offer can undermine your credibility, whereas saying, I think we should accept this offer is straightforward and also very confident. Word number 5, just. The word just minimizes your message. Be direct. Instead of just, so I just wanted to check in, say, I wanted to check in. Practice removing just from your sentences to sound more assertive. I just need a minute becomes I need a minute. Word number 6, whatever. It may seem strange, but using the word whatever is dismissive. Instead, use words like any or whichever to sound more professional. For example, choose any option that works best. Instead of saying whatever you decide, say, any option you choose is fine. It's more respectful and clearer. Let's practice. I say a sentence with a word that you have to avoid, and I want you to think about an alternative. I need to do some stuff before the meeting. What is wrong in this sentence? Yeah, it's the word stuff, isn't it? How about we replace the word stuff as follows? I need to review some documents before the meeting. And the last word we need to avoid in our business meetings is the word should. Should can come across as passive and non-committal. Instead, use more assertive language like need to or must. For example, instead of saying we should finish this by Friday, say we really need to finish this by Friday. Or instead of saying we should consider a new marketing strategy, go with we need to consider a new marketing strategy. This change conveys a stronger sense of importance and direction. In conclusion, the words we choose can significantly impact how we are perceived in a professional setting. By eliminating vague or uncertain language, we can communicate more clearly and assertively. Remember, sounding confident and professional not only helps you convey your message more effectively, but also builds trust and respect with your colleagues and your clients. Thank you for watching today's lesson on words you should never use in business. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe so we can continue to build educational videos for all of you lovely people who are making the effort to improve your business English skills. Until next time, have a great day.